From the moment we came back into each other's lives, it's been a complete adventure. The path we've taken to get to this moment has been very unique, but it's been the very best journey. For this crazy life we've dreamed of together, I couldn't imagine anyone else by my side.
I have honestly never felt a truer love than the love that exists between us. You're such an amazing, caring, thoughtful, and beautiful woman, as well as an outstanding mother.
Wow.
Our family has made my life complete. Our girls have the very best dad in the entire world. I am so lucky to not only call you my partner, but also their father and forever friend.
You showed me worlds I never knew. You turned my darkness into blue. Now I'm feeling 10 feet tall. Since you said you blew my all.
It is wonderful to have all of you here to witness the union of Heather and Jason as wife and husband before God. Heather and Jason have known each other for many years, and although life took them in different directions, they remained friends. Eventually, their friendship evolved and love intervened. Love always finds its way to the hearts of two people who are meant to spend their lives together. And Heather and Jason were certainly meant to be.
You have taught me that you and I together can be so much stronger than either of us could ever be apart. You are the strength I didn't know I needed, the joy I didn't know I lacked. You bring out the best in me and are my best friend.
I promise to love you without hesitation, and I commit myself to you and our amazing family. I will help instill the values that our parents have taught us into our kids. I will care for you, always be by your side, and comfort you in times of sorrow. I greatly look forward to the next few minutes when I have the honor and privilege to call my best friend my wife.
No, I would brave the fiercest ocean to find my way back to you. No, I would cross the darkest desert for you to know I'm here for you. No, I could sing 1,000 love songs, but none would measure up to you.
I'd like to welcome all of our friends and family to celebrate this special day with us, with Jason and Heather. But most of all, I want to welcome Jason to our family.
I think we all can agree that Jason has become a positive part of all of our lives. And even though Jason may not be a man of many words, he is a man of great action.
Heather, you look absolutely beautiful. After all of these months of planning, I am so happy to see your life complete and to see everything come full circle. You guys are perfect for each other, and I wouldn't want a more perfect man to be marrying my best friend here today.
And now, family and friends, I am pleased to joyfully pronounce Heather and Jason as wife and husband, sealed together today in love. I happily present Mr. and Mrs. Jason and Heather Garcid. Jason, you may kiss the bride.